Hi, my name is David Pacheco. I'm the Fixed Operations Director at Empire Ford of New Bedford. I want to introduce to you one of the new services that we're now performing on our customers' vehicles. It's called Nitro-filled. What it does is we actually take the air out of your tires and fill it with nitrogen. And the benefits of the nitrogen service is the tire pressures don't expand and contract with temperature changes, so you don't get that pesky tire pressure light, especially in the fall and springtime when it's colder in the morning and warmer in the afternoon. What happens in the spring and the fall is your tire pressures in the morning when it's cold, your tire pressures will actually go down, triggering your tire pressure light. And throughout the day as you drive, the temperatures go up, your tires get warmer, your pressures go back up, and then your tire light will turn off. What this does is it actually keeps the tire pressures more stable. So your tire pressures stay correct, you get better fuel economy. Another benefit of nitrogen, it doesn't retain moisture, so you don't get moisture content inside the wheels, which will cause corrosion over time. So, and this will happen is you'll develop leaks and you'll have to have your tires broken down, cleaned all up, and resealed. So what nitrogen does, it doesn't retain the moisture and it keeps your pressures more stable, which will improve fuel economy, which will improve ride quality, and also help maintain your proper tire pressures so you have longer life out of your tires. It's a great service. We charge $59.95. It does all 4 tires. It takes us about 20 minutes to do. Part of the benefit of doing that is if for any reason you have a flat tire where you get a nail or something in it and you're not local to us, any garage can put air in it and you can bring the vehicle to us and we'll take the air out and put nitrogen back in it at no charge. We also do provide free flat repair. So when you purchase this, if you get a nail or anything that can be repairable on the tire, we'll repair the tire at no charge and refill nitrogen for you. So again, I want to thank you for choosing Empire Ford of New Bedford. Again, my name is David Pacheco. I'm the Fixed Operations Director. Hope to see you soon.